morning, everyone. Alright. God.
Kita ang 300 ba? Iya, tagna dito at 1,200 po. Ay! Ay mo,
Thank you for watching. Yes, me. Hi, Agro Poultry. Hello. Agro. Agro. Gab ko ano ang samhod. Ada na sabi mo ya din na si Tita Marisa ya din na. Ha? Inurulog mo naman ang bado ho. Interipig ko. Inhuruslog mo na intero. Ayusan naman yun. Yung nabado na tinipig ko sa ima. Ano mo na, balik mo na. Butang mo na yun sa bado ah. Ya din na sira? Ha? Hain na. Hain nga. Roaster, yes, roaster. The roaster. Oh shit. Ay! Oh my god. Sir Hall, had your coffee, Cheryl? Not yet coffee. Good morning, Sir Fred. How are you doing today? I'm going to get the wedding dress. I'm going to get a wedding dress, something like that. The dress. Good morning. Don't fall, yes. Michael, Maya, good morning. Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good morning everyone. 10 people in the house. How are ya? It likes. Yeah, I'm going to now the lonesome. Lonesome. Okay, thank you, Sir Fred. How is my hubby? What? That's my hobby. My hobby, sleeping. They would respect the house. Thank you, sorry. Lying inside. I guess Mike is sleeping. Yes, sleeping. Sleeping. He clean here. He clean his truck. Lazy, huh? Lazy. He clean his truck because yes, he buy last yes one different times because he buy the tools the tools for his truck, something like that. He bought pala, past tense. He bought tools for his truck. Oh my god. Sorry for my English. All respecting David Rosaleo. If you don't know how to respect, maybe you can go to another live channel, then they will entertain like you. And I thank you so much. Yeah, I know when you called him, he said he was going to Walmart to buy a carpet cleaner. Yes, maybe he clean and then and they clean and then Kwan, then this, then Dano, and then Dakuan, then he's sleeping. It's fine. It's good. It's okay. Busy. I understand the business. I like you to say because me too. I'm busy. Busy. Busy life. Busy life, busy wife. Hi, Jisutuan. I like you to say. Okay. So he hung up on me to answer your call and you shut your stream. Huh? Wow. Because we are called lovers. The lover is something like that. The priority. Yes, fast last yes. It's called Sir Fred the priority. Yeah. Wait. I was dying inside to hold you. Haha. I'm priority. No, I'm priority. My God. We didn't even have our counseling session. Hi, Brenda Wall, hello. Jisatan, hello. Haha. What time you going to get the dress? This morning after coffee. Inside, I was inside. What time is? Eh. Oh, well, get your coffee already, yes. Sugar. Ano? Sino yan? Sino yan?
Badut, nilupakan niya.
Sir Fred, the dress is here na. ¿Cómo estás? Soy de Argentina on. Hi. No need to go somewhere because the dress come here. Oh my God. Look. How I look. Wait lang. Wait lang. No need to go outside. Oh my God. Can I see? Can I see? My God. Yep, yep. Oh my God. Tanda ako. Oh my God.
Sabi mo, matawag ako ba? Tapos magutot.
Ay, what colors? Ano to?
Ati na ako tulong na kapag.
Nakaudoong pa! Oh, shit. Oh my God. I look beautiful. Look, Sir Fred. Oh my God. Beautiful. Beautiful. Do you know how to put it on? I don't know. We didn't even have to. Yes. No need to go there because they bring the here. Beautiful surface. Girl. Look. I look like wedding. It looks like wedding corn. Fit for me. Good to good to wearing the wedding.
Wow.
Magayonar.
Perfect kita.
Ha? Perfect. Pangkasal ha? I'm going to marry.
Katawa
Pagkasal.
din, di ba?
Pagkasal man ini.
Baga.
Ano sa ako yung bagay fit na sanay lang talaga sa diyan nagamit. Ano, parang sinukat talaga sa ang
Sakto na.
sakto. Sakto talaga. Parang hina, parang pangkasal. Man. You like Sir Fred? Not marriage until October, yes. Yeah, shit. Oh my God.
Inupahan mo yan?
Oh. Magkano pa sa din? Expensive. Hindi ko man makawala sa iyo.
Pag-make up ka ngayon, so.
Oo, ano ka Noel?
Ano sabihan mo na si Kanoel?
Oo, si Bibian ang magang.
O kahapon si Biana.
Oo.
Ano si Mama? Pasanting ko rin na das.
Sino?
Si Lia.
Kanyang babati na?
Oo, at sa nakaagi, lirin, ano, ipasanting ko kay ako nang nag-labor.
Ano yan sa tong ano ha?
Lakaw-lakaw ganito.
Perfect. P. Kusai. Peace Kusai. Please give me a chance to win your puso. First, I'm from the USA. Yes, Cheryl, very beautiful. Thank you, Sir Fred. Hi, Naku. You're gonna get married. Yes, get married soon. Oh my God. Someone she has her heart, yes, but yes, I know who you mean. I'm bored. You bored, Pusaka? Oh, sorry, may gulay. Marry a foreigner better, yeah. Come on, let's coffee. Mondar Blags. Hi, Mondar Blags. Mary, yeah. He is a foreigner, yes. Pico side, he's a foreigner. Thank you for likes. Pusaka, I will comment to you if she online. I will comment to you if she online. Thank you for watching. Thank you for likes. Thank you, 21 people in the house. Pusaka in love with you, Philippines Sheryl. Pa, Pusaka in love with you, Philippines Sheryl. Ah, okay. Huh? I love it when you paint your hair the same color as your skin. Yeah, my skin is brown. Okay, copy. I will just roam around for now. Wow. Hello from England. Hi, and am from England. Thank you for joining. Who you know who we mean. Beautiful Morena, yeah. Morena. I'm Morena. My skin color is Morena. Hello, Sunel. The one who, okay. Oh my god, I forgot. Sorry, Sir Fred. Oh yes, oh my gulay. Haha. Muhammad Khan, is your son to be husband watching your live? No, he's my nephew. My future husband living in the USA, something like that. He's my nephew. He's young. He's 23 years old and I'm 41. My God. This is sleeping. Yes, the hobby is sleeping. Ready for what, Johnny? I'm from USA. Ah, wow. That's because thank you so much for joining. I'm 45. Ah, okay. You will find a beautiful, better woman for you, pick a sign. Mahipal. Hi, Mahipal. Beba, 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 beba. Thank you so much. 5 people in the house. Hello. Hello, world. Oh, what you're ready for, Johnny? Yeah. Johnny, ready for what? Ready for Kuwanda, no? If you're ready, but reminder, be respectful here. I think he's gone.
Ano?
Oh my god. Don't don't cause Benovsky. Hi. Why are you wearing shoes? Sandals. Another foot person. Ah, okay. Why they like feet? Something like that. You're from, yes, I'm from Bicol. I'm not Bisaya. Thank you. Yes, you got it. What kind of sandal? Why you want to buy me a sandal? Reskills. Does it matter what kind of sandals? Yeah. Kwan. Kwan in the ano. The kind you wear. Ah. I love Parañaque City. When I'm at work and when I'm working in Manila, I live in Parañaque, Sun Valley, near in SM Bikutan. But this June, I'm going to Cebu. Ah, okay. I will be right, Sir Fred, Ma'am Cheryl. Have a nice day both. Up back. Thank you. I will be right back. Okay, thank you, Pusaka. Thank you for joining. God bless. Have a nice day. Really meet. Do we have to meet? Really meet? Huh? I stay by Dr. Santos, the big cemetery. You also Pusaka. Take her. Cebu is nice. Cebu is nice. You know SM, yes, I know SM Sukat. But traffic is real. Uh, Danny, if I dance with you, what is the one? My talent fee. The talent fee, your request to dance, the talent fee for dance is $2,000. Something, super chat. Someone can't afford, oh my god. So if I have a mood to dance, it's free, but now I'm lazy. Send super chat or people she will dance. Yes. I love walking around with Filipinas and other Filipinas. Look at them with a mind look. Lol. Something like that. Maganda umaga. Maganda umaga, Mike Mercado. Where are you from, Mike Mercado? I'm from Pico Rivera, California, USA. I live in Forbes Park in Makati City. Ah, okay. Nice. Nice, Mike Mercado. I'm from Pico Rivera. Wow, Pico side. Do you have Pico side? Do you have a Filipino partner, jowa, something like that? My place is close to Los Angeles. Wow, that's great. What is your job, Pico side? No, just friends. Ah, just friends. Friends with benefits, something like that. My place is close to heaven. Beautiful place, Sir Fred. I was born in the Philippines in Cebu. My mother is Filipina and my father is American from the island of Puerto Rico. And he was in the United States Air Force. That's how they met. Ah, okay, that's nice. If I told you, you wouldn't believe it. If I tell you that, you won't believe it. What? If I told you, you won't believe me, but I send you pictures, then you would. Okay. I have my own business and I work hard Time for Amazon. That's nice. Can also work in sports. Good job because she don't accept email or anything because she has a man. Yeah. Something like that. Ruby, where are you from, Ruby? Milano, Italia. From Milan. We moved to New York City when I was 5. I went to grammar school in New York and then I went to medical school in New York. Wow. That's nice to you, Mike Mercado. Hi, yes. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the likes, everyone. Zion Pomari, hello. What part of the city, Mike? From Sir Fred. Mario Frieza. Do, do, do. Rebel died. Rebel died in the Bronx. Rebel died in the Bronx. Manny Pacquiao is my friend. Really? Bicol? Now I live in Forest Park, Makati. That's good, Mike Mercado. Oh, okay. I'm from Brooklyn, Bensonhurst. Wow. Wow. I know Manny. He lives in a couple of houses away from me. Oh my god. And I get my nerve. He willing? Why you lie to that girl, bro? Lol. Hi, Jake. I know Benson Horse. I know it's New York. I know it's New York. It's a jungle. Hi, Jake. I found the love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Light on the man. Beautiful. I never knew you were someone waiting for me. He lives in Makati. I've been to that house. He invited me for dinner. Okay, nice to you, Pikusai. Money lives on the island I am on. Kalimutan mo na yan, sige maglibang, huwag kang magpakaip. Ang problema sa lalaki dapat tirinda. Sila ang magabol sa'yo, diba? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, lahat yan naglolokot. Kinabalan biglang lalay. When I go to Parañaque City, I stay at the Elorde Sports Center. Wow, the Elorde. Really? I love boxing and sabong. Okay. Me, I love my ha. Ito sa pasakay. Ito sa pasakay si Manay Sila. Sa pasakay. Ito sa pasakay si Manay Sila.
Nasa pasakay.
Found the love. I told you I would have to send me I told you I would have to send me a picture. Hmm? Huh? No, no kuwan. Maybe just post the picture. Maybe you can, you can post on your channel, then I will watch something like that. Hi, Bonamai. Hello. Hi, Shannon. Are you good? Yes, boy. Yes, Shannon. I'm good. Oh my god. Hey, Shannon from Sir Fred. She don't receive or send pictures. Thank you, Pico Side. Hello, brother Fred from Shannon. How are you, Shannon from Sir Fred? Hello, sis. Hi, Valmar's channel. Hi, Valmar's channel. Hey, Kuya Fred from Valmar's channel. I'm just new to Cheryl live. Thank you, Shannon. Oh my God. Thank you for joining my live. It's honor to you to come here. Hi, Manay. Good morning. Good morning, Roy. Hi, Kuya Fred from Valmar's channel. I'm not supposed to have social media, lol. Okay. So why are you trying to send me the pictures? Pictures of what? I haven't done live streams since Sunday, Sean. The electric line was cut now. It's fixed. I found it while I was scrolling. Okay. Thank you, Shannon, for joining. God bless. Yeah, I seen that Fred. Thank you for joining. Good morning, Bal. How are you? From Sir Fred. Oh, where's the ball and chain? The ball and chain? He's sleeping, Shannon. Oh, if not supposed to do social media, then why are you pick a side from Sir Fred? Husband, we call them ball and chain. Okay, the husband ball and chain. I'm sleeping. He's busy last night. Something like. Maybe he will wake up when Sir Fred doing live, something like that. Because when he take the pill, he sleep a lot. When he take a medicine, he sleep a lot. Cheryl Val is a good person. Okay. Hi Val, thank you for joining, Val. Oh my God. Obviously not the blue pill or the Binoy sleep. Yeah, he need to rest because Mike, when he's here, he gets sick because different weather here, different food, the water contaminate. Uh, I think he having a amoeba here because from the ice, something like that. And for the food, so need to be careful when he came back. So Yeah, I don't know, but I can understand. Maybe he got wore out with the blue pill channel. All the video chatting with Cheryl. Huh? Yeah, I don't know, but I can. Thank you, Shannon. Cheryl, I don't know the blue pills. What? Cheryl, blue pill. Oh my god, I don't know. Oh my. Really? Oh my god. Make minute. Oh my god, I
Hindi mo
don't
na
know.
tiyo. Hindi na. Okay na babae. Sakto na.
If I know, maybe when my here, I can give it the blue pill. Oh my god, I don't know. Keep it hard. Oh my god. That's why I'm thankful because Mike is so gentleman. So that's why it's fine. She reborn virgin. I don't know the blue pill. And now I know the blue pill. It's a blue. The color is blue, the pill. Oh my god. I experience, but not something like that. Keep hard, but sometimes it's hard. Not really. Look in Mike's luggage next time. Okay, I will tell that is fine. I will adjust. You experience helicopter. Yeah, I can do that. I will do that. Freds, that mean maybe he's embarrassed. Huh? Why? Don't buy it on the street of Philippines. Defect. Okay. Okay pa. I will buy on the like the drugstore, something like that. Like Mercury, like the having a license to sell the medicine, something like that. Mike embarrass, hell no. It's fine. I think for me, relationship is the relationship is the part of having like that, something like that. But me and Mike, we happy together, together each other, something like that. Funny to talk each other. Okay. Even outside, even cuddle and kiss, it's nice. Closeness, yes, but oh my god. I know Fred is not embarrassed about much. Yeah. Shannon, I have video of Mike proposing to me on his nails with a ring for me. Oh my, even color because it's my nails. That will be Freaky Friday shirt. My God. When he comes here, I will get the. Oh my god. Gab, pado tabi dito ang stand sa ano? Sa cellphone ko sa balay tabi. I call it 75 ring. Cheryl is 76 ring. Yeah. Fred is working ahead of time. Better swipe him more fast, Cheryl, before Fred takes him over. Yes. Yes, Shannon. Sir Fred. Sir Fred! Sir Shannon, he did buy me a ring. Yeah, I know. He buy you a ring. Eh, dito ho, dito ho, dito ho. Dito ho, di ka naman nag-iimo. Dito ho. Kuha. But it's okay. An army ring for me ay salik sa ano, sa, di ka nag-iimod sa ako. Taas mo yun ho. Yun nan. I hope it's good finger nose. Thank you, Shannon, for joining the live. Affects the banana. Oh, gotcha. I deleted fast. You went deep and I went even deeper. Deep is good. Dude, why you blush? Oh, yan. Kung naman yan. With Fred, it's always a twos up. 1 second he's pervert, next second he's serious. Yeah, something like that. Deep is good, but the tip works wonder. Exactly. Rabbit uncertain, very well. May gulay. Ang kulit. Yeah, that guy is always lost in the boat. He needs CPR though. Cheryl, Bob means battery operated boyfriend. What it means, you know, what is that? Bob means battery operated boyfriend. Huh? That guy is always lost in the boat. He needs CPR. Oh my god. What? Ew. Bob equals. Oh no. I don't like that. Yeah. No. The guy lost in the boat. Ew. What? No, I don't want to try that because it's not good for me. I'm patient to wait. The guy lost in the boat. Oh my god. She learning a lot. No, I don't want to try like that. Even on the video call, we're not like that on video call like something like no, never. We're not do that with Mike because when sometimes I'm trying to Kwan. They said behave, something like that, and I behave. Yeah, it always hides behind the cover like uncircumcised man. I know Mike is respectful, yes. He's very respectful. When he's here, he's so, ano, he's the kind of man that I want. Because I'm comfortable to meet him. Like when I talk to him, first meet online, yeah, I have a feeling that he's a good one. He's a good one. Says we have bad sides, but his bad sides is good because it's part of being is being a good a character. So that's why it's a part of the bad side is a good thing for like the being part of a good person because I know we're not a perfect people here in this world. So that's fine. Thank you. So, that's why I counsel you so you learn more, Cheryl Ayas. Candle like she's going to have a lot to see Mike when they talk next. Take the blame for me, friend. Thank you, Shannon. I know I need to like being open-minded. So I learned before when Sarfred like, when this talk when Sarfred talk like that. Oh my God, I don't want to read. I don't want to hear. Oh my goodness. Oh, what? Something like that. His birth tabago. No problem, Shannon. I will. You are not used to hearing all the ways we take. You were not used to hearing. Oh yeah, something like that. Now you get used to it. It's joke lang. Yeah, it's joke lang. Different to talk than to do. So now I know something like that. So Shannon's I know something like that. The different the talk and then and because I remember when Serpent tests me and Mike on his live, the second liquor. It's really weird when we met. It's really weird because I talk about oh my god what the candelic or something so something like that. It's really weird at first. Oh my god, so weird, but in a nice, it's good. She never knew a lot of stuff we talk about. Yeah. She knows some now. That's why she tells Mike, "Come now." I mean, now I know the blue pill. The lesson for today is the blue pill. Good banana. That's hmm. Something like that, Shannon. But I know, you know what, I know that's part of the relationship, but me is ano, is gone. And then the ano, she just went, yeah, no bananas yet, Sharon, just they can, no, not, something like that. She just went. I found a light for me. Sun of the sky fading and follow my. You met us from Marisol. Hello, Jumedas. Shannon, you missed it. Cheryl had a beautiful dress. She tried on this morning for an event later. Yeah. Ah, sorry, I had to. Yes, push Shannon, because I'm the Reina Elena here, Santa Cruzan. The culture here in the Philippines, every May, for the month of May, having a Santa Cruzan. She look beautiful, yes. So thank you, Sir Fred. I hope look beautiful. And the dress. It looks like a wedding dress. My God, beautiful. Is that the one where man kisses you? Is that one where man kisses you? Huh? One. They all going to choose here. Thank you for 33 likes, and to those. Hi, Efren Dagbin. Where are you from, Sir Efren? Well, yeah, the man want to find a wife. They run after and try to make a wife. Ah, yeah. Uh, Always having here a man trying to having a wife, and then they good at first, but they always going anywhere, and then his word is same, want having a wife, having a girlfriend, blah blah blah, something like that. See you wearing a wedding dress, run fast. Davao, kamis ka, tagaasan ka? I'm not Bisaya, Sir Efren. I'm from Bicol. Bicolana. I'm Bicolana. All the men kissing sure. No, not all, my God. I'm not pretty. Pretty. Not all, my God. Dandruff. I'm not Bisaya. I'm from Bicolana. I'm from Bicol. Bicol, blah, blah, blah. She looks like she can run fast. She has a very muscular, yes. Yes. I run fast. Because I walk a lot. That's why. You're good. Thank you, Sir Fred. I know why I see you're not beautiful. Here at Shannon here, my skin color is not beautiful here in the Philippines. My skin color. So here, the skin color is not beautiful here in the Philippines. Yeah, too dark. But if you're having a white skin, clear skin, they look you are so pretty. A lot of Filipinas say they not be they are so, yeah, they are so fabulous. Because when I'm a kid, high school, I'm graduating in high school, no boyfriends because boys like white skin. So I'm thankful they don't like me that time because they are now cheating their something like that. Not you, the ones who don't like dark skin. Yes, here don't like dark skin. Here, dark skin here is ugly, something like that. Not attractive for them. That's why a lot of Filipina obsess having reaching the white skin. They take a pill for the white skin and using the skin care for having a white skin. But me, I don't like. I don't care. I appreciate who likes who I am, accept who I am, my skin color, my personality, my something like that. So if they don't like me on my physical appearance, it's fine. I have a lot of people, so, and if someone like me, what I look like, even I don't comb my hair, even I don't know how to kuan something like this. I put this and even no lipstick. I'm not like that, so I'm thankful that someone like me. I really appreciate it. I love dark skin. Thank you, Sir Fred. Not you, the ones who don't like dark skin. I pay so much money to make a fake tan. Ah, wow, really? Me, my skin is so tan. Well, sure, I would trade your skin color for my white skin. You can share your white skin, then we having a mix, then perfect color skin, Shannon. Because my skin is dark, dark skin, like tan. My wife is scared of the sun, always with umbrella. Because of me, when under the sun, it's too fast for the dark skin. That's why. My family is Irish and we born easy, hardly tan. I want the sun. Here I was born under the sun. Going to the farm, walking under the sun, going to the mountain, working under the sun, going to work, working under the sun, always having the sun, something like that. I born the first time, then tan. Hard work, yeah. Going to the mountain, yes. Yeah. Because here, life here is not easy, but if you are working hard, you can buy food. So that's why need to work. A lots of ways to having a food, not too much, but you can eat a healthy foods like vegetable, fruits, something like that. Me, I don't like meat. I like meat sometimes, but I prefer eat food, vegetable and fruits, fish, something like that. The meat is not preferred for me. Now I cook most the time myself. I never burn. Wow. Fred burned himself when he tried to cook. I think American need to get out and work a farm. Yeah, when I'm going to the farm, the rice farm, my sister's and my brother's farm, rice farm there, I walk under the sun going there. So I love walking. I like walking. And sometimes my parents said, my sister said, or why you don't have an umbrella? So because umbrella is not comfortable because I forget a lot. So maybe when I put the umbrella and the surface I forgot, then I lost it. Many umbrella I lost because I forgot where I put it on, and the umbrella. That's why. Oh, no meat. I like to eat chicken more than beef, but pork is my next favorite. I like meat sometimes, but I prepare food for seafoods, yeah, seafoods and uh, fruits and vegetables. Meat, I eat meat, but not all the time. Just sometimes I eat. Thought banana was your favorite channel. Or taco channel. What taco? I don't like to eat seafood. I never was able to eat as a kid. Ah, okay. I like seafoods. Like the shrimp. I like the shrimp. Sheryl taco is between woman. Oh my god.
Dito ba ko yung ha?
What? Sir Fred, oh my god. Huh? You know what my candle is that also called Sir Fred, my god. I just text Mike right now. Well, wake up. Wake up. We're teaching you, share. I thought I know everything because I'm old na. I'm 41. I thought I'm enough to know everything, but wala. Kanina ko pang inahanap. I wonder now why oh my god, I have a lots of one miss something like that. See what he says. If you do, we stop talking about it. See what he says. You can stop Shannon, I will keep I know. I know, Fred, oh my gulay. And I will take the blame. And I will take the blame. And I will take the blame. And I know even more. I will keep the pain inside. Fred is playing a game and calls Goning. Goning? Goning. What Goning? I think I need a translation because oh my god, I don't know what it means. My English is poor. What Goning means? I will let Fred explain. Okay, Sir Fred, what's going, Sir Fred? Oh my God. Oh my. Oh my God. The goning. Long duration. Huh? Oh my. A long one. Oh my. What? Oh my God. I think Mike did that before. when not we're not yet met. What did you say? I think my okay, Aksha, she said. I think Mike did that before when we're not yet met. I'm sure you've seen it to Cheryl. She's just see online. After you met. No, before we met. Mike did that before we met. No, before we met. We met you so after you met. What? We met you so. Hmm? We met you so after you met. Okay. He asking if Mike did for you. He is asking if Mike did for you, no? Comment. Maybe maybe when we meet again. I'm looking for about about that. Okay, we call clean the chat up. Huh? Bonjour to Chibelda. Hi. Yes, good idea. After uh, you're getting embarrassed, huh? I feel bad because Mike is not here to talk. It's fine. He will understand. Mike, he will understand about that. I don't feel bad at all. Yeah, yeah, it's fine. I'm not, and I'm not, I'm not, I'm not innocent age. I'm 41, so my age is enough to know everything, something like that. No worries, no worries. Sometimes I want to talk something like that because I wondered, I wonder, I wonder what something because I thought Cheryl is not reborn, not oh I know just like oh it's something up it's happened like that something Oh my god. She never she never know what. Yeah, I love it. Like the French kiss. Now I think it's good. I never want like something like that.
Ah, makamungan.
Yes, French kiss. Yeah, the French kiss. That's joke, Shara. I know the wait till she has tok tok. That's what tok tok means. What is tok tok? Bow bow. I don't. What bow? That's a joke. I don't know what's bow bow. What is that? You saw the thing they brought furniture to my house. You saw the thing they brought furniture to my house. Not I see, but not all.
Ah,
Mike want to buy one when he goes back. Ah, I really like tricycle. Oh my gosh, really? So the thing they brought furniture. But Mike wants to buy one when he goes back there. Ah, really? Yes. Like tricycle. Okay. Furniture, bao bao. Huh? What is that bao bao? That's a tok tok or I don't understand. A tok tok bao bao. Wait. Tok tok bao bao. What is that? That's a tok tok or bao bao. I don't know. Tok tok or bao bao. What's that? Ah, okay, like a truck. I will send you a picture. Okay, like a truck, something like that. Ah, yeah, I know now. Like a, oh yes. Okay, yes, but like this. Yeah, Mike's, yes, I see now. Mike want to buy here something like this. Uh, he want that's tuk tuk. Ah, now I know. Yeah. Thank you, my love. That's tuk-tuk. Okay. Or here we call it bao bao. Ah, okay. Here, what we call it here? Baja. Call here baja. Here in Bicol. The baja. Bao bao. Now he's thinking of buying multi-cab. Yeah, he have a plans, but yeah, he have lots of plans going here when he came back here. So he can with the rice field, yeah. No need to walk. But I think we cannot live too much close to my family, so he don't need to think about like me. So he don't need think something like that. Ah, Gab, nagrula naman yun doon ng mga ano, hinya na yun doon. Yan, nagrula naman. Gabriel. So can help. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you pa. Thank you so much for my mic. The bao bao. In another life, I would be the take our Shannon. We'll see you later. Okay, sure. I need to start mowing. Okay. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you so much for joining. Take our Shannon from Sir Fred. I found the love. Thank you for people in the house. Thank you so much. Wait, I need to